Good morning, students. We are providing you online classes from our home on the behalf of St. Angel's Public School, Bagpat. Students, as you know that we are studying Chapter 6 in Science of Standard 7th, Temperature and Heat. Students, in our previous class, we have discussed about the temperature. That what is temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness of a body or a place is called temperature, and we have also discussed about the measurement of temperature, that how can we measure the temperature. We have studied three types of temperature scales. First one is Celsius scale. In this we taught about degree Celsius. That what is Celsius scale? Celsius scale is indicated by degree Celsius, and the melting point of pure ice is 0 degree Celsius in Celsius scale, and melting point of pure water is 100 degree Celsius on Celsius scale. And also we have discussed Fahrenheit scale. Students, in Fahrenheit scale we have discussed about degree Fahrenheit. We taught about the melting point of ice is 32 degree Fahrenheit on Fahrenheit scale, and the boiling point of pure water is 212 on Fahrenheit scale. And students, we have also taught about Kelvin scale. Students, it is not in your syllabus, but for knowledge sake we have discussed it. Kelvin scale. Students, 0 degree Celsius equals to 273 Kelvin, means the melting point of pure ice is 273 Kelvin, and the melting point of pure water is 100 degree Celsius, means 100 plus 273 is equals to 373 Kelvin, means the boiling point of pure water on Kelvin scale is 373 Kelvin. So students, today we will discuss about the conversion formula, means how can we convert one temperature scale into another scale. Students, we have some formulae here for discussing it. So let's discuss. Dear students, if we want to convert degree Celsius, into Fahrenheit scale, then the formula is Fahrenheit is equals to 9 upon 5 multiplied by C plus 32. Students, if we use this formula, then degree Celsius scale is converted into Fahrenheit scale. And another is, if we want to convert Fahrenheit scale into degree Celsius, then the formula is Celsius is equals to F minus 32 upon 9 multiplied by 5. Students, it is a formula, or we can write this formula like this: 5 upon 9 into F minus 32. So students, these are formulae. And if we want to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin, then we can use Celsius plus 273. Then it will be converted into Kelvin. Means if we want to convert in Kelvin scale, then we can use Celsius plus 273. Now we will discuss about some examples based on these. So we have some examples. Convert 86 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So students, how can we convert these? We can convert by this formula. What is the formula for changing degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius? It is Celsius is equals to F minus 32 upon 9 multiplied by 5. So students, we can convert it. What is the value of Fahrenheit? 86 minus 32 upon 9 multiplied by 5. So students, we can write it 86 minus 32 is 54 multiplied by 5 upon 9. So 54 is divided by 9. 9 6 are 54. 6 multiply 5 is equals to 30 degree Celsius. So students, 86 degree Fahrenheit is equals to 30 degree Celsius. Next is, if we take another example, then you can see, convert 30 degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. So how can we convert it? Degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. Formula is Fahrenheit is equals to 9 upon 5 multiplied by C plus 32. That is 9 upon 5 multiplied by, what is the value of scale on degree Celsius? 30 plus 32. So students, 5 6 are 30. 6 9s are 54. Then we can write plus 32. 54 plus 32 is 86 degree Fahrenheit. So students, it means that 30 degree Celsius is equals to 86 degree Fahrenheit. Students, you can see in first example we have taken 86 degree Fahrenheit and changed it into degree Celsius. So answer is 30 degree Celsius. Again we took 30 degree Celsius, then we change it remain of first example answer. Next, convert 100 degree Celsius to Kelvin. So students, what is the formula for conversion into Kelvin? Kelvin is equals to Celsius plus 273. What is the value of temperature on Celsius scale is 100 plus 273, means 273 plus 100 is equals to 373 Kelvin. So students, it is the conversion formula for Kelvin from degree Celsius. Now if we take another example like this, convert 45 degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then what is the formula? Fahrenheit में हमें convert करना है. Then Fahrenheit is equals to 9 upon 5 multiplied by C plus 32. Students, you should learn these formulae. Fahrenheit is equals to 9 upon 5 multiply, what is the value of scale on degree Celsius? 45 plus 32. 5 9s are 45. Then we can write 9 into 9 plus 32. Then what is the value? 9 9s are 81 plus 32. And what is the answer? 81 plus 32 is 113 degree Fahrenheit. So students, these were the examples for conversion one scale into another scale. Hope you understood.